I will not say non-conformities, it has improvement opportunities.
Shaftab, he is leading our safety team here in Saudi Arabia. He is with Safari from long time, over 5 years now. Very competent person, mashallah. Served in several sectors of Safari, taking into consideration all the safety requirements with the clients, with the planning, with the bidding, everywhere he's involved.
Sir, myself, Muhammad Aftab Alam, and I am a corporate HSC manager. And thank you, Mr. Jawood, and thank you for introducing myself as well. Giving opportunity. Actually, sir, I am also last 20 years I am working in GCC, and also managerial level I am handling this. So many audit also I have attended this. I am also myself I was lead auditor. So we work in many multiple airports, like Terminal 3 Airport in Dubai, and also Jeddah International Kaya for DP development project, also Jeddah International Airport. So basically, my qualification, I am holding bachelor degree in electrical, and I am fellow membership of IIRSM. Also, I am chartered membership of CM Ayush. Okay. So this is my qualification about me, because you know very well, chartered membership we will not get until we will have your
Part one.
yes.
Yeah. It's a big
So,
achievement.
level 6 earlier there are so many certification I have experience in petrochemical company and construction, and that finally I'm doing in the facility management as well. As Mr. Dawood he introduced about Safari, that Safari has 10 group of the company. We are working for the landscaping, we are working for the facility management and construction. So our involvement in all of these companies. So we are approximately 108 projects for FM only we have for the facility management, and also we have 7 projects for the construction. We have many projects for the landscaping. So these are the projects we are handling over there from the Safari side. And previously your colleagues also from your company, they have come, they audited, and they have given thumbs up. So we have good opportunity, we have excellent professional body we are working with. So thank you very much for being here. Inshallah, we'll start up and for the onwards. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And I appreciate your